Hey friends, how are you all? Hope doing great. So this tutorial about lifting state up. Let us assume that we are doing online shopping using one of the e-commerce website or through a mobile app. Assuming you want to order one product, now the page which is being displayed to you has many sections. For example, there is a product information section where we can select which product we are ordering and the quantity number required. Second is the address section where user can enter the delivery address, and the third is a summary section. So when a user enter the product details and address details, we display that information in the summary section. But assuming that we have a text box available where user can change the product quantity even in the summary section. Because just to change the product quantity, we don't want user to navigate all the way back to product information section. So if you change the quantity in summer section, we want the change into the display in product information section, or vice versa, like how it is happening in the web page. Now the question comes in mind that how we can develop such kind of e-commerce website this in React. So what we can do here is when we enter the product quantity either in the product information section or summary section, rather than maintaining local state in the reserve component, we can create a shared state in a closed common accelerator component of these two components, and that state can be accessed and updated by both of these components. So this concept is called a lifting state up in React. This way the data can be stored in state by the parent component, and we also meet other important principle that there should be a single source of truth of any data that changes in a React application. In order to achieve this, this we will create four components like order, product information, address, or summary component. So order component will be the parent component, of the rest are child component of the order component. So if you create these kind of four components, so both product info component and summary component are sharing the state through parent component. So this is what we call the lifting state up. So just see this in the detail in this video. Let's see further. So I hope that you know about the state and props prior. If you don't know, then you can just go to my React playlist and check that on the videos. So often there will be a need to share state between different components. The common approach to share state between two components is to move the state to common parent of the two components. This approach is called as a lifting state up in React.js. So with the shared state, change in the state reflect in relevant components simultaneously. This is a single source of truth for shared state components. As we know, every component in React has its own states. Because of this, sometimes data can be redundant and inconsistent. So by lifting up the state, we make a state to the parent component as a single source of truth and pass the data of the parent and its children. So time to use lift up the state. So if the data in parent and children components or in cousin component is not in sync, you can see there is an example. So if we have two components in our app, A and B, where A is a parent of B, so keeping the same data in both component A and B might cause inconsistency of data or might be confusing. Or you can also see there is an example too. So if we have three components in our app, in our React app, A, B and C, so where A is the parent of B and C. So in that case, if there is some data only in component B but not present in component C, and component C also want that data, so we have component C cannot, so we know that component C cannot access the data because the component can talk only to its parent or child, not the siblings. So the problem is, let's implement this with a simple but general example. So we are considering the second example. You can see there is a complete file structure. There's a node modules. In the sources there is a 3.js file ABC, So approach to solve this is we will lift the state of component B and component C to component A. Make a.js as our main parent by changing the path of app in the index.js file. So before import app from .app from the component app, after import app from A. So file name a.js. You can see there is a code. Here I import React component from React, import B from, I also import B and import C. After that, the class A extends component. There's I insert constructor, super method, this handlebar. In the render, the return there's a React.fragment. So what is the use of fragment? So a common pattern in React is for a component to return multiple elements. Fragment let you group a list of children without adding extra node to DOM. So there is also a new short syntax of defining them. So you can see there's a React fragment. There's also a file name, there's a b.js, there's also a code of that JavaScript. Here I import React, the class B extends component. So in the main component A, I import B and C, and in the component B, I write this code, constructor, handlebar, return, and this. And file name C, there's an import, class C extends, return, there's a h3, there's class C is the output. So this .props.text, whatever the text will be I entered, it will be display after this. So the now component C can access text in component B through a component A. You can see the output on the screen. So friends, hope your all the doubts are cleared about lifting state up. If you found this video valuable, provide it a like. If you recognize someone who must see it, share it. And if you have got questions, ask below me in the comment section and add it to a playlist if you need to watch it later. So see you on the next video with the concept of composition versus inheritance.